So we're outside the brand new 2023 Cosmic Graphite. You can see behind me this deep, dark, and rich color on the Rpod graphic. We've got these great champagne accents, and we can't wait to show you a little bit about what makes the 2023 Rpod a little bit different. The first thing you're gonna notice, you still have this 12 gauge steel inner outer fender, okay? There is no cheap, chintzy aluminum fender well. If you ever have encounter any kind of road debris or rocks or anything like that, you've got a really nice heavy duty fender on all your 200 series Rpods. But check out how cool these wheels are. These are our new Cosmic Graphite bronze aluminum wheels wrapped in only Goodyear tires, okay? We've got Goodyear tires as standard running gear here. And keep in mind, the stuff that you can't see is our independent torsion axle suspension system that's behind there. So every time you see these beautiful new bronze wheels, you know that you're riding on the most superior suspension system that's available in any price point of unit in this segment. Now, if you can look down the side here, you can see we are displaying our unplugged package out here. Check out the unplugged package video for all the details of the high performance and the value of what this package can deliver. I want you to consider one thing with the unplugged package. Although it is not cheap, okay? The retail value on the unplugged package is somewhere between $12,000 and $15,000. But if you consider the nightly cost of a campground now exceeding $75 or $100, you no longer have to purchase a night at the campground with plugins, okay? You get to the campground, you can camp in areas that do not require 30 or 50 amp service. You can camp in primitive campground areas. So for a long-term investment, if you're planning on going to places where you don't want to see a lot of people and you want to explore nature, the unplugged package might be for you. So check out our unplugged video there. A couple other things on the 201. Notice how we've got these beautiful champagne colored starbursts that kind of match our bronze wheels. And this 201, from the very front to the very back, is 25 feet. It is one of the largest Rpods we've ever produced, but it's still one of the most lightweight, versatile travel trailers on the market at under 5,000 pounds. So if you have to stay and keep your tow vehicle in a certain weight range, you should look at the 201 before you make a buying decision. If you're looking to include all of the extra features like standard rooftop air conditioner, high efficiency air conditioner, a large integrated furnace, enclosed underbelly, central vacuum system, plus that beautiful front panoramic window I told you about, you need to check out the Rpod 201. For those of you that follow us in the Rpod news and insights that we bring out to you, you may not recognize where we are. We are in a completely revamped floor plan, the Rpod 201. We have redone the entire interior here, okay? We launched the 201 last Hershey, and we have, with customer feedback, revamped the rear end of the coach with the dinette to increase the seating capacity, make it even more comfortable than it was before. We're maximizing the entertainment center that we have in here, and I hope you would agree, this is a beautiful place to hang out. This is our new Cosmic Graphite interior, okay? And I just want to point out a few things. You notice this nice little live edge on the butcher block countertops. This is like the interior you might see in a Class B motorhome, okay? You've got the outside, we brought it inside, coupled with our deep, rich, dark-colored cabinetry that's in here. But it's so bright, it's so fresh, it's very airy. And I want you to look at a couple of these little details that are kind of, I mentioned out of this world. With our Cosmic Graphite, you've got these champagne-colored door pulls and hinges, but just a really elevated and luxury experience inside the Rpod. This new 201 layout, sure to be a winner. If you're looking for something that doesn't have a slide out and you still have a lot of living area, the 201 is a great place for you to start. Now I'm gonna kind of work my way over here. I want to show you a couple things. You've got this great entertainment center. a huge kitchen. Look at this. Of course, we've always focused on the recessed stove cover on our countertops to give you the most prep and cooking area. We've got this spring-loaded and champagne-colored kitchen faucet, which is great. 18-inch deep bowl sink. Always convection microwave. You got to cook your cinnamon rolls for the first time in your convection microwave. If you're an Rpod owner, you know what I'm talking about. Storage everywhere, okay? There's a ton of storage here. You've got hanging storage, giant refrigerator. You got your big gas electric refrigerator here. And then here's one thing that makes this a little bit unique. I want you guys to follow me. We've got a pass-through bathroom. What makes the pass-through bathroom nice is if you're camping with folks, or if you're whoever you're camping with, this separation of the bathroom from the living area to the bedroom just gives you a little bit more solitude if somebody goes to bed earlier or wakes up earlier in your campsite. But huge bathroom for an Rpod this size. You know, this Rpod's only just over 4,000 pounds, about 25 feet long. But check out the master quarters, okay? You can see, for those of you with an eye to detail, we've got our new Cosmic Graphite pillow and bedding package. And then look up here in the front, okay? What do you see here? You've got this integrated shade system. You can see we've got our bug screen down right now. That window opens up. So on a nice evening, a cool evening, you can ventilate the front of this with not only both sides, but also the front. Just another unique feature from Rpod. A couple other things that I want to point out to you that are now standard this year at Rpod are a solar panel, a 200-watt solar panel on all of our PVC roof units, okay? So our small units, the classic Rpods, like the 171, the 180, a couple of the smaller units feature 110-watt panels of solar standard. All the other ones have a 200-watt panel, a 30-amp controller, and a 2,000-watt inverter. So what that means to you is you can, right out of the box, you can plug in 110-volt items to any outlet in this camper. And that's something that really sets us apart. That's something that I think is going to make your life a lot easier. If any of this sounds interesting to you and you want to check out more, check us out at forestriverinc.com/Rpod or visit our social channels to see up-to-the-minute updates on the newest products from Rpod.